Working with Goldfields has been great. We've been able to roll out the world's first OEM Agnostic underground haulage system. It's fully operational with 6 trucks and it's working really well for the customer. UFR Haulage can be deployed across any trucks in the underground market. It also enables customers to utilise an existing fleet with automation, and in this case it meant the customer didn't need to do a new fleet to bring automation into their mine.
When it comes to automation underground, trucks are a much more dynamic and complex piece of equipment. They move a lot more. There's a lot more complexity to the way in which they move. The OEM agnostic nature of the UFR equipment allows us to be more flexible in choosing the equipment that best suits Goldfields and Granny Smith's needs.
For underground mines, we fire at the end of each day shift and night shift, so there's opportunity there to continue the haulage through those times where people aren't underground.
The main goal of the autonomous project was to enhance our utilisation of our equipment, focused on that non-productive time and bridging that gap.
Since we've gone live with this capability at Granny's, we've hit 2,000 kilometres of full autonomous driving. We're tracking that as a KPI of autonomous utilisation and tonnes tracked to the surface. We know that we'll get the additional tonnes, and if we didn't have this technology, we'd still be sitting at 0.
A good week we see around 90 kilometres of travel from the vehicles, which is equivalent to a couple extra loads, which can be the difference in a haulage constrained operation to hitting targets versus not hitting a target.
End state for Goldfields is full autonomous areas where we can remove our people out of harm's way and have those trucks running in dedicated areas 24/7. We're a few steps down the pathway of making that a reality. I've got no issues in recommending UFR as a business partner for anyone that wants to deploy this type of agnostic technology.